Good afternoon, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of part 1. If you watched part 1, my apologies, did not mean to cry, y'all, but I figured I'd record my entire day. Y'all, let me tell you something. It's just a crazy day today. So I am working with the company right now, and the video, it shouldn't have taken this long to be approved, but it's been like 3 weeks since I did my first video, right? And I just got word 2 days ago that the video is pretty much approved, right? I don't know what happened, but they must have really loved the video. Just remember that I said this because I'm gonna find a way to check back with y'all on what the video is. But y'all, ever since I did that video, every single branch, just now Pasadena, Savannah, another North Carolina, they just started following me. And I'm just like, oh, they must have really loved the video. They must be speaking about me, because all of a sudden all these companies started following me and stuff. And then I have an opportunity coming up with Ashley Home Store. I'm going to LA, you guys. I'm going to LA with Ashley Home Store. That was an absolute amazing blessing within itself. And then today is Wednesday. I'm going to Atlanta Friday. I'm meeting up with Toya. 2019, boy, I tell you 2019. So yeah. Oh, really quickly, let me show you guys real quick. I'm gonna make dinner. Basically, she makes it really good. So I bought the little Publix meal, right? And then I bought some extra salmon. I looked at a lot of the seasoning stuff that was in the bag. I already have a whole bunch of that at home. So what I'm gonna do is when I get home, I'm gonna multiply the ingredients. That way it kind of covers the extra salmon that I got. I'm gonna go in here and cook and show you guys the meals and everything. So not just yet, okay? Cut the car off real quick. Nothing feels bad. Ooh, you guys, she out here looking like a Range Rover. She is pretty. Hold on, you guys. I cleaned out the trunk, so you guys get to see everything. You just push this little. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, y'all. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Oh my goodness. The cover, I also have the cover here coming for that also, but y'all, I could probably fit like a twin size mattress back here. Yes, God, yes. But yeah, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. That's for a client. Okay, so if you guys are wondering, today's video, which is the beginning of the day, I started off with yesterday's video, which is me going to get the mats for the car. I split it into 2 parts because I'm gonna be gone Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I'm not gonna be able to edit. So this kind of goes with the 10 videos in a day. If I know my day I'm gonna be cooking and cleaning and stuff, like today, it was just easier to split it into 2, so that way if you watch part 1, you pretty much get part 2. But I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking that Publix meal that I share with you guys in the car. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm making salmon, which is kind of fishy. I clean it with vinegar, but I like to also boil a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of lemon. I just squeezed it in there, and cinnamon sticks, and I boil that so that way the house doesn't smell fishy, okay? And then this is all the ingredients. I did purchase some extra salmon so all of us can get enough salmon. Okay, so here's the recipe. This is the little card right here. So it says preheat the oven at 425. This is not sponsored. I still get my HelloFresh meals, but I put it on pause because I am going to be going back and forth the next 2 weeks, and I didn't want to get charged and the meals were not going to get cooked because I cook. you do me a favor? Can you take the vacuum and not vacuum, but put it to charge so I can vacuum tonight? Huh? It's charging already? All right, perfect. You guys, if you're wondering, my knife set is from Casanova. They are still super sharp. They are the self-sharpening. I'm just gonna cut it from the picture that I saw. So I'm not putting a chipotle, but smoked paprika, yes. Put that in there. Ooh, it smells so good. All right, you guys, this is what I use for the olive oil. I just thought it was a pretty bottle, so I picked it up. Don't ask me nothing about it. Just thought it was a cute bottle, and I wanted it in the pantry. And then I have a little bit of cilantro. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Okay. And then with the garlic, you guys, I'm gonna use 2 for the fish and then 2 for that. So here's the garlic, you guys, and I'm just gonna mix everything in. Mix everything in. Mix and mix and mix and mix and everything in. Mix and everything in. Mix and mix and mix and mix. Mix everything in. Put the lid on it. This is the Casanova, if you guys don't know. It keeps its temperature from the base to the brim. KKK. And voila. Voila aussi. So what I do is just put it down at an angle and run it towards the back the whole way, so I can take that skin off. And voila. Don't touch that. Open that bag right there. All right, I'm about to go clean this with some vinegar real quick just to get that fishy smell off. And I'm just gonna cut this in 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3.
I've washed it before.
Let me take this little piece off right here. It's a little fat. So all I'm doing is trying to get that season all over everything. Let me see if I can get a good mix, because it seems like everything is right here. It smells good too. That's what you do when you don't let it cook overnight. Season overnight. Just kind of poke it, so when it's cooking, you'll cook and have season all the way through. All right, that's pretty much how that looks, you guys. That looks really, really good. The coat of seasoning just got all over, and you can see the small specks, and you can see the small specks of the brown sugar. It looks really, really good. Like I said, if you're at Publix, I highly recommend the meal kits. In between my HelloFresh, I just get this. When I come back home, I'll start back my other one, but in between, this is really, really good to pick up. When this is almost done, I'm gonna go ahead and drop everything else in. I'm gonna ask her if she wants the black beans and everything to be mixed in here. If not, I'll just do that. But this looks a little blackened. I'm not gonna have it that dark. It's probably be blackened because of the black beans mixed in there. This one here is the Williams-Sonoma. I know it looks like plastic, but it's like a really tough silicone. You can use it on the nonstick. I'm gonna turn this down a little bit because it's quite hot. Put it on a low temp and start dropping in the salmon. Once I drop in all the salmon, I'm gonna rinse it so there's not a transfer. It actually smells really, really good. You see the rice. The rice looks really good too. Put that up a little bit more so that I can cook. Let me just put a little black pepper on that thing. Here's the, you guys, that looks amazing. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. That looks so good. Amazing. I like making salmon. It's amazing. Well, I made it. All right, you guys. This is Bae's plate. She's gonna do salad right here, and this is my plate. I'm just gonna eat this. I don't want any spinach and tomatoes and stuff. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fix the kids' plate. Let me just mention now, even though the pot in the pan is hot, this is hot just because it was in the oven. The handle that I was making the salmon, it did not get hot even though this was hot, if you guys are wondering about the Cafelon. All right, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix the kids' plate real quick. Let me get some of that.
You got your own food. Get out of here. First of all, you don't never cook.
Give me some of that. Get that plate. Get that plate. You okay, you asked for something good today. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Okay, this is the kids' plates, you guys. They wanted rice, you guys already know. Voici on mange dieu avec tout bagay. Vegetable salmon. This here is the last piece of salmon that was left. I just cut it. I don't like fish overnight. Hopefully they eat that. But that's just pretty much the meal, y'all. Super freaking easy. If you guys enjoyed today's video, I am really, really sorry about the measurements. I honestly just don't know how to cook from measurements. That's not something that my mom taught me. It's not something that aunties, dad, nobody taught me to do measurements. So I just naturally just cook. You know, the spirit tells me when to stop, when to go. But yeah, I find the meals super, super easy. All I do is get a couple of extra things to add onto it. That way I can have enough food for everyone. Because those meals I think is like a 2-person meal. But you guys know you can do more of a customization when you go to HelloFresh. You can do 4, which is like a family. I think it's 4 to 6 server. I'm not 100% sure what mine is set on, but I have enough food for everyone. I normally don't have to buy extras, but that is pretty much for the video, you guys. You have a really good day. Look, I got bleach on my shirt. Anywho, y'all have a really great day today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.